Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. First of all, go into Devices Settings and click on Connections right away. Then select More Connection Settings. Following that, tap on Printing and click on Default Print Service. Now wait! Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. But you can always disable this print service thanks to blue switcher at the top. Go back, tap on Download plugin, and install the best service for your printer. In my case, HP1. After your new service is installed, go back to the same settings. Then simply click on it and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!